My name's Luam, and we went to the Tate Modern and we went Nando's after. I actually really enjoyed the paintings, and the sculptures, and I also enjoyed looking at the mirrors because those were really weird. When I think of an art gallery, I think of paintings, not actual things. So, yeah.
So what you're saying now is conceptual art. So was that your first time seeing conceptual art?
Yeah, because I never go to art galleries, so it's my first time actually going to art ones. The things I disliked were reading the tabs. I feel like there was too much information, and it kind of made the painting more boring than it actually was. And yeah, that was the thing I disliked. I'm surprised how some basic art piece that I could do is worth millions and thousands of pounds. That shocks me. There was one painting, I can't remember what it was, but there was it looked like they just cut out picture shapes and then stuck it on, and it was worth 3.5 something. There was a lot of money. I was surprised by that. So yeah.